My name is Maggie Bopp. I'm an associate attorney here at Rappaport Glass, Levine and Zullo.
My name is Brendan Ahern. I'm also an associate trial attorney here at Rappaport Glass, Levine and Zullo.
Brendan and I have been working together now a few years. Our history started in the Suffolk County District Attorney's Office. Well, we knew each other before that, but I'll let you take it,
Sure. Several years ago, I had been the deputy chief in the Nassau County Vehicular Crimes and came out to Suffolk as the chief, and quickly realized that Maggie was one of the top senior vehicular homicide prosecutors. She was someone who could be trusted with the most sensitive, the most complex cases because of her work ethic, because of her commitment to justice, and her ability to work closely with victims and guide them through the process, which I think is really transferred to the work that we do now, helping our clients and helping victims in these cases achieve justice in the civil realm.
Absolutely. And with Brendan, he had an excellent reputation around the courthouse, even when he was a defense attorney, for being ethical, for knowing his cases, knowing his clients. He's extremely intelligent. So when we heard that there was going to be new leadership in the district attorney's office, and we received the news that it was going to be Brendan, the entire bureau was absolutely ecstatic. We knew that we had the right leader who knew the topics that we handled. He knew the struggles, the hardships, things that we faced with families. And so a couple of years ago, I had received a text from Brendan, who was currently working at our firm here at RGLZ, and he had reached out and said, is there anyone that you know that might be interested in, joining our team? And I said, well, maybe me. And we talked about it, and knowing Brendan and the friendship that we've forged over the years, he would never steer me in the wrong direction. He knew how much I loved being a prosecutor, and this was not an easy decision to make, but trusting him and knowing him and vice versa, it was the best decision I've ever made. And I think that our clients are lucky to have two former prosecutors with the vehicular experience that we have and just the trial knowledge that we have to bring to them and guide them along the way.
When I learned that Maggie was considering looking for the right plaintiff's personal injury firm to come work for, it was an easy recommendation. And the partners at the law firm have quickly realized that Maggie's a major asset to the firm, to our clients, because the skills that she brought to the table as a prosecutor, as a homicide prosecutor, working on vehicular crimes, has completely transferred over to the work that we do now. She is an advocate for our clients, she's a resource for our clients, and the work ethic that she brings to each and every case means that we're going to be able to command the best outcome possible for our clients each and every time.
And this is why Brendan's amazing at what he does, because I couldn't say any of those things. But I mean, my sentiments are exactly the same. Brendan takes every case as though it's a loved one, a friend, someone, and he works up the case. He's diligent. He really he knows his stuff, and if he doesn't, he will look it up and find the answer. He will reach out to attorneys. We often roundtable, hear some of our cases, some of our issues, and no stone is unturned, especially when it comes to Brendan.
When Maggie and I were in the district attorney's office together, we worked some extremely difficult, challenging vehicular crimes cases that required detailed investigation. We sat at the table with victims' families on almost a daily basis to explain to them the process that we were going to be undertaking to achieve justice for them. And when we came over to Rappaport Glass, Levine and Zullo, Maggie and I take that same skill set to our clients now. It's a privilege to sit at the table with a victim, with their family, and explain the process and also how you're going to fight for them. That's something that we learned as prosecutors, and it's something that now each and every day we bring to the table for our clients. And I think that working as individual advocates for our clients is important. But here at RGLZ, we have a team mentality. Maggie and I are friends, we're colleagues, we work closely with one another, and we know that we can work hand in hand to achieve the best outcome for our clients each and every time.
Absolutely.